How do you floss a dental bridge? It might be easier than you think. Have you been wondering how do you floss a dental bridge? Flossing is a key member of the oral hygiene family. It is almost like the middle brother that no one really pays attention to as opposed to his older brother, which is brushing, or his younger brother, mouthwash. Only flossing can clean the areas between the teeth, which are almost always the source of all problems of the mouth, including gum disease and decay. The problem with dental restorations and flossing. Unlike natural teeth, dental bridges have no spaces between their units. So this means that the traditional string floss can't pass in between to clean the areas that need cleaning. Not only that, but bridges tend to trap food and debris under them. With dental crowns the situation is very similar. Crowns are covered by porcelain, which could have a rough surface or minute nodules in the contact area. This makes it extremely difficult to get your traditional string floss between your restorations to clean them effectively. So how do you floss a dental bridge? As you can probably deduce, string floss isn't gonna cut it. It is impossible to pass it between the units of the bridge and quite difficult to pass it between the bridge and the natural tooth. So we need to explore other options. With bridges, there are essentially 4 viable ways to floss. Floss threader, interdental brush, air flossers, water flossers. Which flossing method is right for you? You can choose any of these methods according to your preference and financial situation. While water flossers may seem like the obvious choice, you should know that they are not cheap and cannot be placed everywhere because they need quite a bit of space. How do you floss a dental bridge? Answered. In conclusion, it is wrong for you to assume that a dental crown or bridge is an artificial structure and therefore does not need to be cleaned and maintained, because they need just as much care as natural teeth and sometimes even more. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.